guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I actually have a really quick waffle flower crafts haul. I mean, like super quick, like I only got a couple things, but I absolutely love this so much and I had to share. So this is how the package came, and look at this freebie they gave me. So ironically, I was watching, oh my gosh, what is her name? I'll insert her name, and she did this exact card and she used these guys on top, and when I placed my order I was like reminding myself to get these because I love how she did her background with them, and I forgot. And they actually came as a freebie, so I was like, oh my, I was dying. So this is exactly how it came. I haven't even like opened up the package. So you get like a little thank you, and which this is a thank you because I did not order these. At least I don't think I did. Well, I might have. Hold up. I confirm I did not order these. So, super excited. All right, so I got this stamp set, which this goes with the kind of stamp and die set I got, because I feel like, I don't know if anybody else this last year, I probably could have used this a lot. It was a tough year, 2018, but I thought some of these sayings were super sweet and touching, but not overly like, I am so sorry, like, even, but like, you know what I mean? Like, not, like, they're well said. Does that make sense? Like, thinking of you and sending you love, like, that's like such a sweet, like, sentiment. So I love this so much, and they have a couple little hearts here for you always. Like, it's so warm and touching, and I don't know what about this stamp set that like made me just need it. I don't know, but we're here, and that's that. And then they were also doing a little sale in their clearance section, and I love me some pull tabs. So this is like a pull tab or like cutout area, so you can use your pull tab and like pull it out. So these are all different sizes for your pull tab. It's literally pull tabs. So I love dies so much that are so functional. I love like functional fun cards, like the tree pop-up from Waffle Flower, which you would have seen. It was in one of my vlogs. I get asked to do a tutorial on it, so I may do a tutorial, even though it's not Christmas anymore, but I may still do a tutorial. But anyway, this guy. This is what gave me all the feels, and I got the combo. Just like with the tree, I wanted the combo. So this is called Group Hug, and like I said, I haven't even opened it. And I have to say, I love when you order like the combo. Like, these things are like in little pouches, and they're so nice. Like, they're like a thicker like feel. All right, so let's pull these guys out. There's that, and then the stamp set. So this is one, too far. Move it out of the way. There we go. This is one big stamp. And now that this is in front of me, it still gives me all the feels. So like I said, I don't know why I was so attracted to this stamp, especially since I haven't like overly been making cards, but like, I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, it's just giving me the feels, and I'm emotional, I don't know why. And then we have the stamp set, which, sorry, it's a little overexposed right now. The stamp set actually has, so I don't know, this would have been forever ago, that I have metal things behind my, there we go, behind my dies. And you can see here, this actually also comes, when you order the set, it comes with that, which I love so much, and I'm making a mess already. Okay, so let's talk about the dies here. So big die, so Big Daddy here, we got the big one right here. And so this you don't cut out. So don't want people to think, because a lot of times dies will be stacked inside, but this is actually cutting out that center area, like around the dog and the giraffe. So do not cut that out. I'm lining it up with the text, not the actual stamp, so that's why it looks like that. And then we also have just little bars in here that cut out your sentiments, so you don't even feel like you need to go out and get a whole separate one, because a lot of times they just are the sentiment, and I'm absolutely obsessed that it is actually included in here. And then you have the hat, you have hugs, you have the bow, and then you have the heart here, and then you have the little glasses, and then you have the little other bow, I guess. So this is like the true bow, and then that's like a little bow tie. So I absolutely love that you get all these little dies, because you would think that you wouldn't necessarily need the die because it's such a big image. Well, for me, I think adding all these little extra things plus all the extra little dies, like it totally works, and I'm totally loving it. Can you tell? I'm like obsessed. I don't know why. I'm just feeling this so much. It's like, do I need like some emotional things going on here? So again, it has this pouch, and this is actually a pretty large stamp, and that die is pretty large. I could probably get all the little stamp or all the little dies inside and do it on a normal one, but I kind of like the waffle flower larger like packaging. So I have the other one that is the tree, so I guess technically I need to find another thing for them. But like I said, this was such a small haul, but like I said, I'm so attached to this and I don't know why. So I really wanted to share it with you guys. I'm definitely going to do a card, maybe two different ways using this, and I may record it for you guys because I think you guys liked the Simply Gilded one, so I may start adding some of those in there, simple things in there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.